So that male's got arthritis, that one that's hopping.
I heard it was doing like one of the injuries.
Yeah, but after a while it was doing okay. So it was stiff, wasn't it?
Wait me 5 minutes.
I get the joke. Oh, see.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
I'm getting it. That one was a side shade.
It's really wet out, guys. Sorry.
I'm going as fast as I can.
Where's the end?
We got Evan over there telling his horrible jokes.
We got the jokester over there.
You can't let the penguins go.
How do we fix that?
Evan, tell the camera a joke.
No, I'm not telling him any jokes.
Tell him a joke. Sorry, guys, he's pretty lame.
I have a joke. I have many jokes.
Here we go.
What is a shark's favorite type of sandwich?
But there's one. No, I just got that one. What happened the other shake? My camera.
I don't know, what is it?
So I
A peanut butter and jellyfish.
all a blur.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
Oh, thank you. I have another one too if y'all want to hear it.
Sure.
What? I see how it is.
No.
I'm so hurt right now. Oh, okay.
Bye bye, Derek. Everybody. We're all alone now. We're just a cool car. We don't need them.
We ain't the rescue team, no. We pulled you out once. I'm not kidding. You got one freebie. Ooh, what are these guys?
Some burger things. Yeah, it's hard to see, but there's two hyenas laying down right over there.
Zoom in, or is it just?
I don't think so. I really have never.
Zoom in one direction, so it can't zoom in all around. So true. Oh, that'd be sick though if it could zoom in like 360. Maybe you can. I don't. Can you do that? Maybe you can.
I've never used a GoPro before, so I don't know how this thing
Especially on a
works.
360 one. I've seen this in a regular one.
This is my first time holding a GoPro, so. Oh, it's got us going through the mud.
We're going crazy. You have a need for speed.
There's a Thompson Gazelle. We got a fenced-in area coming up. Don't know what it's for. There's some cows in there. Some of the Maasai's cattle. What?
We're not hunting down.
Animals, we're hunting down a mechanic.
Going into a village-looking thing. Keep you updated.
You guys got a sneak peek.
Yeah, really. Philip, is this where we're coming later or a different place? This isn't where we're coming later, right? This is in the Maasai village? Okay.
Gotcha, this is it.
So, is today or tomorrow?
pickles.
Wow, this is so interesting.
Bill's gonna get out, canvass the area.
If we get eaten by a lion, I volunteer Gavin as tribute.
What?
Yeah, he's on with the GoPro.
What?
Oh, he figured out the tripod.
Yeah, you just.
He's just stepping out. What? Like. This looks like just like a junkyard, honestly.
It was. I think it's like a vacuum.
Because I just see cars everywhere. So.
We set up out here.
This lighting is terrible.
It
Please
really-
help our friends.
I said, please help our friends.
What is it?
Probably a bird. Oh, yep, it's a bird.
Ouch. Why'd you have to say it like that? Damn.
Sam
really
has spotted
rude.
a bird.
Don't even ask me what it is because I have no clue.
Do you know how many birds you're at yet, Sam?
At least
I'm
3
at
digits.
I'm close. I'm at like 95.
Let's go! So
Sam
close.
really likes birds.
I'm the resident bird girl
loves
of this
birds.
trip, apparently.
Oh, absolutely.
I feel like he's trying to
Definitely
persuade him to help us.
What if we start crying?
We really want our friends to be safe.
Okay, I nominate Sam.
Oh my gosh, this bird has like little white eye ring.
Yeah, I lost him.